Hi guys, this is your host Dhruv. I'm from Anant Realties and today I'm going to show to you a very exclusive floor here in Sushant Lok 1C block. The asking of the floor I will disclose at the end of the video. This is a 418 square yards here in Sushant Lok 1 at an amazing location, very close to Vyapar Kendra, very close to the golf course road, and you are also reachable to the nearby metro stations like the Huda City Center. So now, let me give you a brief and let's start the tour by showcasing you the entire layout of the floor. हमारे पास 2 रूम्स आगे हैं और 2 रूम्स पीछे हैं और इस लेआउट में हमारा एक बहुत अच्छा एक स्पेस निकलता है जिसमें हमारे पास एक पाउडर वॉशरूम आ जाता है. ठीक है, हमारी एंट्रेंस ऑफ द फ्लोर इज हियर ऑन माय राइट हैंड साइड एंड ऑल्सो in this area of the floor we have our dedicated mandir space which is here, and we have 2 rooms which are also on the front hand side. अब शुरू करते हैं टूर को. जब हम इस फ्रंट साइड वाले रूम में आ गए हैं तो इसमें हमारे पास 2 रूम्स हैं जो कि हमारे पास 2 सेम साइज के रूम्स हैं, एक आगे है एक पीछे है. अब ये फ्लोर मैं आपको बताता हूँ, इसमें सारे फ्लोर्स and all flooring is Italian marble cladded, all your bathrooms are Italian marble cladded, and even the mandir slab is Italian marble cladded, and the kitchen walls are also Italian marble cladded. इसी का पैसा मांगता है बिल्डर और यही सारा काम. इतनी नीट फिनिशेस और मैं आपको कवर्ड फिनिशेस एंड वुडन वर्क भी दिखाऊंगा जो कि आपको बहुत इंटरेस्ट करेगा. दीज आर सम थिंग्स विच यू शुड लुक एट व्हाइल बाइंग अ बिल्डर फ्लोर हियर इन गुड़गांव. So now let's start the tour by showcasing you this very beautiful wardrobe space which are here on both the sides, his and her wardrobes. अब किसी wardrobe में भी आपको laminate नहीं मिलेगा and किसी wardrobe में आपको कोई fabric finish नहीं. All are done in either glass finish or PU finish. So let's check out this very beautiful wardrobe. It comes with a sensor lights and we have ample of storage here. We have 1.5 wardrobe here and again we have 1.5 wardrobes here. So storage की कोई कमी नहीं रहने वाली है. Now this is a very grand master washroom. This is all Italian marble cladded and इसका space इतना है, सोचो you can play around with this space. इतना बढ़िया vanity section बनाया है builder ने. This comes with all the glass finishes here and have a look at this amazing laminate finish which is here. अब देखो यहाँ पे तो laminate लगाना पड़ता है, फिर भी ये wooden finish laminate है. And अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि ये क्या चीज़ है, हमारे पास जो वैनिटी सेक्शन होता है जो यहाँ पे बाथवेयर सैनिटरी वेयर है इसकी पाइप जाती है, इसको कवर करने के लिए यहाँ पे ये स्पेस छोड़ा जाता है. सो ये आज का ज्ञान है. Such a huge mirror which is here. Grohe fittings are for bathware and sanitary wear. And come, let's check out the guest room which is here again in the front hand side. So now this is the guest bedroom. We have our TV cabinet space, our storage space here. तो storage की बिल्कुल भी कोई कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए. अभी हमारे पास ये Italian marble cladded wall है. Even the washrooms here do have a look, has the geyser inside, and this is also, even the guest room is also Italian marble cladded. Now come, let's quickly check the mandir room which is very very big in size for a 400 square yards. लोग 500 गज में मंदिर रूम बना के देते नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे भी बिल्डर ने आपको 400 गज में मंदिर रूम बना के दिया है. मेरे लेफ्ट साइड पे एंट्रेंस है, राइट साइड पे पाउडर वॉशरूम है. Cassette ACs are there by Daikin in the common rooms like the dining room and the drawing room. Now see this grand L-shaped kitchen. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कहीं पे भी आपको लैमिनेट नहीं दिखेगी. इवन दिस इज ऑल PU फिनिश. वी हैव ग्लास फिनिशेस हियर. ये जो वॉल की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ये इटालियन मार्बल क्लैडेड है. दिस इज क्वार्ट्ज. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी नाइस मटेरियल फॉर द किचन, वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. दिस इज द एंटायर वेट एरिया of the kitchen. Do have a look. All appliances are by Faber. We even have a Daikin split AC inside the kitchen as well, and this is the space for your side by side refrigerator. Even जो चौखट है ना किचन की गाइज वो भी Italian marble cladded है. तो there's a reason why this floor is asked at a price which is slightly higher than the market. ठीक है, अब हम फटाफट से आ जाते हैं इसके बैक साइड पे जो कि मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा एरिया लगता है. Now this is the back side of this home. It's very grand. This floor comes with a power backup. We have our park which is just behind the house there, and guys trust me, the construction quality and the materials being used are very premium. ये basic room है. Bed back side पे हमारा POP की molding करी हुई है, grooving की है builder ने. Let's have a check at the washroom as we move into the master washroom which is on the back hand side. Now this bedroom is ultra spacious. We have veneer paneling here on the bed back side. We have lacquered glass finish here, which comes with cove lighting inside and strip lighting. We have a very beautiful false ceiling here, which is there on the walls as well. We have split ACs inside the room, as I told in the beginning of the video. And guys, ये वॉशरूम ना बहुत एक्सक्विजिट है. इसमें हमको सैनिटरी वेयर और बाथ वेयर आर ऑल बाय कोलर, एंड वी हैव ample of storage here. We have 4 big wardrobes in this washroom. We have a separate area for the WC and for the bathing area. So guys, if you like the floor, if you like the walkthrough, firstly subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, share your views, and if you like the floor and you would like to visit, have a look at this property physically, because property को feel नहीं करोगे तब तक आप ले नहीं पाओगे. This is your host Dhruv. I am from Anant Realties. I'm signing off.